Hey you guys, my name is Cherri and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these box braids all on my own. If you know me, you know that I'm not a fan of paying $100+ for my hair. I don't like spending money in general, but every time I go to the hair salon to get my hair braided, they always want to charge me $100, $120, $140, and it seems like every time I go there, the price just keeps going up. So I said, you know what, let me just practice on my own, and hopefully one day I can braid my hair and make it look just as professional. So here we are. I think the braids came out pretty good. So this $100 plus hairstyle, I literally did it on my own for less than $40. So I didn't use a lot of hair, which is also good. So all that extra hair, I'll just save it for next time. This is a protective style, so it's going to protect my natural hair for a few weeks, which is awesome. It's going to be super easy for me to manage in the morning, and that is key. Like in the mornings, I just need to go. I don't need to be doing my hair. I don't need to be messing around. I need to go. And this is gonna definitely be a lifesaver hairstyle. If you guys are interested in seeing how I did these braids, please continue watching. So let's just get into this video, shall we? We about to do the braids. Hey, the braids. Before we go into braiding my hair, I want to show you the hair and the products that I will be using in order to achieve my box braids. So the hair that I'm going to be using is by Sensationnal. I used this before and it worked out pretty well, so I'm just going to stick with it. Also, I like the fact that this hair is pre-stretched, meaning it's already stretched out for me, so all I have to do is take like little pieces and attach it to my actual hair. The color that I got is a 1B and the length is 24 inches, so this is pretty long. They did have a longer pack, but I didn't realize this was so long. 24 inches, that must be unfolded, right? Or maybe not. This is a pretty big package. So besides the hair, I'm only really using like 2 products. The first one that I'm using is by Shea Moisture. It is a 100% virgin coconut oil, a daily hydration finishing oil serum. So I'm going to put this in my hair when I am prepping it. And for braiding, I'm only using the Shine and Jam, the conditioning gel extra hold. I think this is like a pretty famous jam. People don't like the smell, but I like the smell. I also use a comb, 2 combs, a rat tail comb, and then a regular, what is this? Is it a wide tooth comb? I guess so. This is kind of like a wide tooth comb. And then I also use some clips. So to start off, I'm going to part my hair down the center. It doesn't really have to be perfect. I just want to put some oil in my hair so that it is hydrated while I have the braids in. And I'm going to take this serum here and oh gosh, and I like to focus this more on the ends of my hair. And then I just comb through that section and tie it up. Okay, now that my hair is oiled, I like to now separate my hair into 3 different parts. So when I braid my hair, I braid it in sections. So I do a chunk in the back, a chunk in the middle, and then the front portion. The reason I separate my hair like this is, 1, to make it a lot easier when I'm braiding my hair. It's easier to just braid in sections, but also I get a little lazy. So in this middle section here, my braids probably will be a little bit bigger. That will save me a lot of time. I will come back on here to show you how I complete the front portion of my hair, and yeah, I will see you in like 1 second. Okay, you guys, I am back. I completed, let's say, 75%, a little bit over 75, maybe like 85% of my hair. So I wanted to come on here and show you exactly how I braid the hair. As you can see, I did add some purple. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera. I mean, I can see it in person, so I'm assuming you can see it as well. So I wanted to show you exactly how I attach the braids to my hair. So this piece here, I'm going to do 2 separate braids. So I'm just gonna clip this little piece away. Okay, so I'm working with this section. I would say each of the sections are about 1 centimeter or so wide. As for the hair, I did add purple, but not to every single braid. So some of the braids are fully just in the 1B color. I think I was trying to do like every other row, add some purple, but I think along the way I just got mixed up and I'm kind of like freestyling. So these 2 braids that I'm going to do on camera, they will include the purple. So as you can see, it's mostly black, but then I just added a little strip of the purple color. So I zoomed you guys in so you can really see what I'm doing. So the first thing I like to do is take some of the jam and put that on the root of the braid. This is going to help with attaching the braid and, you know, so it won't slip off. It kind of creates like a grip almost. And then I'm going to take the folded piece, attach it. So how I attach it, I just go around. I take my middle finger, I put it here, right on my actual hair, and then I start braiding it. So as you can see, I'm not actually splitting the hair into 3 parts. I'm using my hair as the 3rd part. For hold, I like to add jam going all the way down the braid. This helps with conditioning my hair. It also helps with shine. It makes the hair look a little bit more professionally done and polished. So I like to do that. And of course, my natural hair is not as long as the actual extension. So somewhere along the middle, I start to feed some of the extension hair over to my natural hair, because I know that eventually I'm gonna run out of natural hair to braid. Here's my natural hair right there, and then this is all the extensions. So now I can just borrow from another part and just feed it over and continue to braid. Just in case I didn't explain it right the first time, I'm going to take some of the jam and put it on the root of my hair. This is going to act as a grip so that I can really grab that hair when it's time to put the extension on. Most of the time with braiders, they would split the hair into 3 parts. I find it a lot easier for me to hook the hair onto my hair. So there are going to be 2 parts that are extension and then 1 part that is my natural hair. So I hook it on and I just start braiding naturally, as I naturally would. Of course, as I'm braiding, I like to add the jam. This is going to help with keeping my hair moisturized, conditioned, and it also gives a little bit of a shine. And it makes it look a lot more professional, in my opinion. When I get more towards the middle or the end, I like to feed some of the extension over to my natural hair, only because I will run out of natural hair to braid with. So of course I have to make sure I'm feeding some hair over to that side. And then I just continue to braid the hair until I get to the end. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I could not get back on here after I finished these braids. I was so tired. It had to be about 11:30, 11:45 last night when I finished, and I was just like, all right, I need to just take a shower and go to bed. So I am back here to show you how the braids came out. I have a center part, but I feel like if I wanted to, I could part it anywhere. I didn't realize how tight I was making them, but you know that stiff feeling, like fresh braid feel? That's what I'm feeling right now, and I don't really like that feeling, but I guess that means I'm getting better at my technique if I know how to braid tight. But anyways, the hair, I think it came out pretty good. Can you guys see the purple? There is purple in the hair. Like, it's super subtle, but it still gives you like a little pop of color as well. The packaging said the hair was 24 inches, and this is how long it came out to be. I don't think this is 24, maybe about 20 inches, not exactly 24, and that's completely fine. I do not need hair going way past my behind. I like the way they came out, but I think I should probably set the ends. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably braid the hair into sections and then dip it in some really hot water so that it'll have like a little nice wave, a little something, because right now it's just like straight. So I wanted to give you guys a close-up of the scalp area. You can see that I did a bunch of boxes. And this is how it all came out. They're not like super perfect, but they're cool for now. And as you can also see, I didn't put purple on every single braid. Like, some braids I did mostly black, and other braids I added the purple. I just wanted the purple to be more so like a pop of color. Overall, this style took me all day. I mean, all day long. Typically, if I didn't take as many breaks, maybe it would have taken me around like 5-6 hours, but this literally took me about 12-13 hours. I was doing too much. I should have just focused on these braids so that I could finish, but it's cool. It's done now. I'll probably keep them in for about a month. Usually after 3 weeks they start to get a little fuzzy, and I'm not a fan of that look. So I probably will take them out after 3 to 4 weeks. Other than that, I think I am done here. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me down below in the comment section. Check the description box for like products that I use, the hair that I use. I'll list all that down below. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.